Hey y'all, as you can see, we're not standing in front of a griddle at the moment. A man can't live by griddle alone. Mostly griddle, but not completely. Now, this time, I've noticed that one of the most common questions I come across is, what kind of Earl do you use on your griddle? Or what kind of Earl do you use to season? And I thought I'd give my answers. Another popular question is, are you going to throw that tennis ball? At least in the Baja segment of the population. Now, opinions are like buttholes. Everyone's got one. And so here's my butthole opinion. Oh, look. Blackstone? Still waiting for all those payments and endorsement deals. And anyway, my number one oil is vegetable oil. Just plain old vegetable oil. I use it to season. I use it to cook. I use it to coat the griddle when I'm done cooking. It does the job. And this is good enough for my hero, Todd Toven. And if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me, because he knows what he's doing and I don't. One habit I did have when I coated the griddle at the end of the cook is making too thick of a layer, I think. And if you'll notice, when your cast iron is shipped to you and it's pre-seasoned, or your Blackstone, they don't have like 6 inches of oil. They just have a thin coating, and so you just need a really thin coating to keep it from rusting. That's all. Took me a while to learn that. I'm a slow learner. My second choice for more delicate flavor, and when I just want to feel fancy, and I'm not sure if it makes a difference or not. My palate is not that refined, but avocado oil. I've gotten to be a fan of avocado oil, and not just because those are avocado groves back there, or used to be before the Thomas Fire wiped them out. There's still some avocado trees. I'm surrounded by avocado groves, and but that's not the only reason. It's got a good flavor, got a high smoke point. So avocado oil, good. And next on the list is ghee. I made this myself. I posted a video recently making my ghee. Ghee's awesome. It's shelf stable. I can leave it out, and doesn't have to be refrigerated. Gives a good buttery, strong buttery flavor. I used to pay, well, once mind you, I paid the exorbitant price for ghee just to see if it was worth having, and then I started making my own at a fraction of the price. And good stuff. Occasionally, I still use a real stick of butter. Like if I'm doing biscuits on the griddle or something, I can just spread the butter on the griddle. Shrimp, nothing, even ghee, I don't think is, you need butter sometimes for shrimp. Occasions like that, I use real stick butter. Once in a while, I even have fake butter. Like the spray bottle, or the squirt bottle of Parquet, I think it is, or whatever, Land O'Lakes. One of those. If I'm just want to make a quick griddled cheese sandwich, I may use the fake butter, because it's quick and easy. But otherwise, that's all I use. There's others that will swear by canola oil or linseed oil, grapeseed oil, Evo, whatever oil, WD-40, whatever, 10W40. That's everybody's tastes are different, and that's why there's more than one brand sitting on the shelf. We're all different, so find what works best for you, and don't shame anyone for not using the same thing. I just saw an argument on a Blackstone Griddle discussion group over the Whirl and those other oils that they use in restaurants. And some people love it, some hate it, some swear it's going to kill you because it's one molecule away from poison, which is honestly ridiculous. Everything's one molecule away from something else. But that's just my opinion, and you're welcome to it. Use what you like. Find your groove, man. And that's all I've got to say about that. So thanks for watching. Let's see if Baja has anything to add. Baja, you got anything to add? Okay, that's her opinion. She's welcome to it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Come back next time, and we'll have something else going on. Maybe some food, maybe some cooking. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye!